Ever wonder how your water filtration pitcher actually works? Let's take a look inside. Water filtration pitchers are simple devices designed to turn tap water into cleaner, better-tasting water. They are a convenient way to ensure you have access to filtered water at home. It all begins with a straightforward multi-stage process. First, you pour tap water into the top reservoir. Gravity then gently pulls the water down through the filter cartridge. Inside that cartridge is where the real work happens. Activated carbon particles act like a sponge to trap chemicals and organic impurities. Next, ion exchange resin beads work to reduce heavy metals like copper or lead. Physical mesh screens act as a final barrier to catch sediment and fine particles. Once filtered, the water continues its journey downward. It collects in the bottom chamber, fresh and ready for you to enjoy. It's a simple, effective way to improve your daily water quality. Remember to replace your filter regularly to maintain optimal performance and fresh taste.